Hey do babies, JD180 here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm doing a very natural makeup look that I love to wear, which requires very minimal products. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified for all my videos in the future. I have all my skincare products already on my face, including SPF, so we're gonna jump straight into the makeup. First, I'm applying a little bit of lip balm. And for the base, I'm starting with the Shein Birthday Skin Primer. I'm applying it to my T-zone and the areas I want to minimize the appearance of pores and redness. And I'm going to leave the product to absorb on my skin for a minute before rubbing in. The primer applies smoothly to the skin and is creamy and ultra hydrating. So I'll stay moisturized and protected all day. It really creates such a beautiful base for makeup and leaves my skin feeling refreshed and looking really bright. Angels, this product is only $6 and you can use my code IT'sJADE15 for an additional 15% off the entire Shein site. Lately, I've been wearing very minimal coverage as I'm trying to embrace my natural bare skin more. I prefer BB or CC creams, and my favorite is from IT Cosmetics. I like to apply a dollop of it for a very natural, light dewy look. I just love how this makes my skin look glossy and fresh. Our little secret in the shade Fresh has been my OG concealer for years. It just has phenomenal coverage while also looking natural on the skin. I love the Nudestix cream blushes. They're just such a universal product. You can wear them on your cheeks, on your lips, on your eyes. And one of my favorite shades is Bohemian Rose. I like to apply it over the nose and on the apples of the cheeks for a very sun-kissed look, like you've been at the beach and soaking up the rays. Blend in with your fingers or a kabuki brush. And you can also press it into your lips for a very natural, just bitten look. Then I'm going to tap on Merit's Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the shade Kava on the cheekbones, nose tip, bridge, cupid's bow, and eyes. This really looks super angelic on the skin, and it just looks so glassy. The Ilia mascara is actually hands down my holy grail mascara. I just really love how it lifts the lashes and holds its curl all day. And I actually tinted my brows with the brow code At Home Tint. So I'm just going to apply over them the Wanderbeauty Your Face Precise Brow Gel. It's really great for a bushy brow look, and I also love how skinny the spoolie is, as it's able to reach all the small hairs. And lastly, I'm applying the Brow Swipe pen in Taupe from the Brow Trio, which is the best product to give the brows a nice dimension. It creates perfectly curated hair strokes with just a flick of the wrist. Okay, my loves, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial as I've been wearing it daily. It's such a beautiful style of makeup that really enhances your natural features without covering them. So don't forget to like this video if you did, leave a do baby comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Sending you all love, light, and luminous skin.